Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Beater Box Unboxings. We actually have a sponsor again this week. This week's episode is sponsored by me. Be sure to go to the description, check out swazytheplug.com if you have not already. This is 3 weeks out, so the website should be launched at this point.
Something went really wrong.
If the website is not launched at this point, then there is a problem.
We might be dead and these were set to upload.
Yeah, we might be dead at this point and things are just scheduled. But nonetheless, if you have not already, go check it out. It's the top of the description. We've got a 575 box here in front of me. We're not gonna mess around. There is a little bit of an opening here with the tape, but I have not looked inside of it. I got my karambit, I got my nut button, I've got my boys. Let's get into it, shall we? $5.75 first impressions. One loose pair, it looks like. Yeah, one loose pair, cool. Can't really complain. I do see one of my favorite boxes, and we'll get to that when we get to it. Got my nut button. See if I can take this out. These are I actually know what these are. These are the Charlotte 10s for, you know, Charlotte, North Carolina. Yep, these came from the same pack as the shoes in the last video. I think, please don't crucify me if I'm wrong. These are size 11.
They just want me to buy your shoes.
Don't worry. These, I personally, 10s are up there with the top 3 ugliest Jordan models. These look like Neil Armstrong should have worn these on the moon. These are f***ing moon boots. That's what 10s look like to me. That's true. If they were, that's true. I never thought of that. Anyways, now that we're done degrading the shoes, be sure to buy them. Size 9.5 Air Jordan 14. Oh, these actually just retroed. These are the Air Jordan 14 Last Shots. Also comes with a retro card. Cool, this is the second pair of retro 14s I've gotten in the past 2 boxes. Also, we've got one of these things. Don't eat it. Fun fact, I got a pair of these in the first box I ever got. They had no box. They were beat to absolute and I couldn't sell them for 99 cents. I put them on eBay for 99 cents and no one bid. No, wait. One person bid and they didn't buy it. They flaked. In the description, I literally said, good mowing shoes for your kids, because they were like a size 4.5. Staying on the train of retros that probably won't sell, we've got a size 11 Air Jordan 9 retro. I think these are the Bread 9s. I think also worn. These are the Charcoal 9s, size 11. They'll sell for at least $150, so yeah, not bad. God, these are destroyed.
Yeah, Jesus.
Wow. All right, we got a size 10.5. This is the 575 box. There's a reason it's like this. This is the Air Jordan 1 Flight 3, 10.5. No, it's not. Never mind. Replacement box. What the hell? These are a size 9.5, 5, obviously. So these are the Air Jordan 5 Retro LS, UNCs, size 10.5. They are worn anywhere from, I'm gonna say these are probably gonna go for like 200, 150. So I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna grab it. I did just grab it from the bottom though, so I hope this is nothing insane. Okay, it's not. Air Max 95, size 10. Imagine if this is the same exact pair we got in the last box. It is not. I have got these before though, I think. Yeah. The red pair. Fire red. Are they the fire? These are more orange. Yeah, they literally make the same shoe and changed like two colors.
They're like IDs basically.
They are, yeah. We've released in 09. I've looked up every single one of these shoes apart from the Charlottes. Wow, guess the name of these. These are
Tiger Orange.
They are the Air Max 95 Team Orange. Yeah, these are worn, I think. I mean, they're older. They're from 09. I mean, all of these will have a little bit of value. This is the cheapest box out of the 3 we're recording today, so I think we should be fine. We have 3 more pairs left. Hopefully one of them is able, but we'll see. I'll take this out first. We've got the Ultra Boost Mid US size 11.
Hey!
What's the color?
What is this? Wow! These they are brand. Wait, this is a sample tag.
Wait, what?
This is a sample tag, like, but there's also a retail tag on it. So we'll see here. Okay, I see what they're going for here. These are called the prototypes, i.e. they took advantage of the sample tag hype and called them the prototypes. Okay, as you can tell by the paper, they are a consortium release. That is actually really clever. I'll give them that. I'm gonna do this because I know what it is. This is the Gatorade Air Jordan 6, size 9.5. I really hope this comes with a towel, because if it does, then it surprisingly didn't come with a towel. I don't know, because I really want it didn't. These are the white and green pair, not the all green. Oh wait, white and orange and green. I was thinking they do have another pair that is all green, but these are not it. Size 9.5. Worn. Cool. Oh, please, for the love of God. Please, please. All right, this is an Air Jordan 1 box. This could save it all. This could literally be, because we might have just broken even with all this.
Yeah.
There is a Supremacy tag on it, so that's promising. Size 11. You and 8, SB Mitch. I know you're watching this. Shout out you, man. Let's see if, please be good, please be good, please be good. Royals, cool. They're the Royals. Not bad. Worn because of course, but not bad. I actually had a pair of these way back in the day when they first came out. Size 3. That's back when I used to only buy my size because I didn't know there was a difference in pricing depending on sizes. So I was sitting on a pair of size 13 Royals for ever. And these are one of the few Jordans that like haven't gone up. These have not skyrocketed like a lot of the other ones have, but I mean, the time might be coming. Nonetheless, really good condition, really good leather, worn, comes with the extra laces, size 11. I can't complain. We're gonna organize this and see what we're looking at. We got 8 pairs here. If you couldn't tell by now, I priced my boxes with shipping included, not before shipping, because I mean, it is the price of the box when you include shipping, so who really cares? But yeah, I mean, not a bad box. We got these, so I mean, we're good there. I think we're good. I honestly, this is one of the few times that I can't sit here and like, this is for this, this, and this, and this, and this. You know, usually I can do that, but at least to some extent, so maybe not so well, but I can do it. I can't tell. I think we're good though. I think I'm gonna make my money back and then some at least. I've never lost money on these boxes anyway, so I think we'll be all right. But nonetheless, thank you very much for watching. We've got one more of these boxes to knock out today. I have to go change shirts, but before I do that, be sure you go down below, check out all the links, check out the website, the eBay page, my Instagrams. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good rest of your day.